I'm Mandy. Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making an easy rice dish, cai fan. It's a homemade recipe from Shanghai, and it can be a flavorful foundation to pair with any meal. If you have been serving your Chinese food with plain rice, this is something new for you to try. So let's get started. You can use any green leafy vegetables that have crunchy stems because that will give this dish a nice texture, such as bok choy and gailan. What I'm using today is choy, which is also a popular Chinese vegetable. Split the stem in half and dice it finely. Roughly cut the leaf part lengthwise, then dice it. Separate the leaves and the stems because they take different amount of time to cook through. Set them aside. Now, we're going to dice the Jinhua ham. It's a special cured meat from Jinhua, Zhe Jiang province. It was listed as a tribute from Song Dynasty to Qing Dynasty. I know it looks like Italian prosciutto, and the taste is similar too. So, yes, you can use prosciutto as a replacement. You can also use your favorite bacon instead. I have tried it. It turned out delicious as well. So don't put off just because you don't have access to buy Jinhua ham. Okay, set it aside. As for the rice, I'm using jasmine rice. Other types of white rice are welcome too. Wash it several times to remove the impurities and the excess starch. Drain it thoroughly so you don't mess up the water ratio. I don't have a rice cooker, so I'm going to cook it in a saucepan. We used 1.5 cups of rice. You will need to add 2 cups of water. Turn the heat to high and bring the pot to a simmer or a light boil. This will take a few minutes, so don't go away because if you forget the time, it will overflow. Put on the lid. We'll cook the rice over low heat for another 18 minutes, so let me move this saucepan to the back stove. Because I want to use this stove to cook the ham and the vegetables. Heat the wok over high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of pork lard and saute the Jinhua ham for a minute or 2. Jinhua ham is very lean. If you're using bacon as a replacement, you will get lots of fat, so you may not need to use excess pork lard. Add 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic and the diced choy stem. Stir for a couple of minutes. This video is sponsored by Souped Up Recipes Carbon Steel Wok. If you love Chinese food, this is the most useful cookware that you should invest in. I'll link this wok in the description. You can check it out later. Toss in the choy leaves. Stir until the volume decreases. Season it with some salt and black pepper to taste. Every brand of ham has different level of sodium, so please taste to adjust the saltiness. Mix well and turn off the heat. By now, the rice should be done cooking. Use a spatula to fluff the grains. Add the vegetables and the ham. Mix well, and you're done. See? How easy is that? This is such a healthy and delicious foundation. Smells so good. The ham provides a distinctive umami flavor. I can just eat this on its own without anything. If you tried it, you probably would stop serving your Chinese meals with plain rice. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!